What's up everyone, this is Shaheen from Apple Connect, and in this video we're going to talk about how to turn off restricted mode on any iPhone. So let's move to the workaround. The first one is all about you have to tap over here in the settings. Now from here we just need to keep scrolling down, and as you can see you just need to tap on the screen time. Now from here, as you can see, you just need to keep scrolling down a little bit, and you can see there is an option called content and privacy restriction. Just tap on this one. And as you can see right now, the content and privacy restriction is turned on. We just need to disable this. While you're doing this, it's going to ask you the passcode for the screen time. So if you're having the passcode for the screen time, just type your passcode over here. And right now, once it is done, as you can see, the content and privacy restriction is already turned off. So once afterwards, if you don't have the passcode for this one to turn this off, and what you need to do is we just need to do a complete reset on your iPhone, and that will be done. And that is what you have to do if you know the password. If you know the password, just give the passcode and turn it off, and that is what you have to do. I hope this quick video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more of these kind of videos. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.